So I wasn't going to take this Caledonian Railway's Puggy Felly apart. I was just going to clean the wheels and stick a bit of grease from underneath on the drive. But then I thought, I better have a wee look. And so those clips, it just clips on underneath. Those clips just kind of clip into about there and there. And I knew it the minute I stuck a screwdriver in that, I thought they're going to snap. And they did, but they didn't snap completely off. So I've managed to just super glue them back in. That's not a big issue. And then I thought, well, this bit was actually clipped into this metal chassis. And I thought, I'm not going to take that out of there because, again, it's clipped in. Can I show you? Oh, I can't remember where it is clipped in. It's clipped in somewhere anyway. I thought, oh, there it is there. You see that right? If I put that right in front of the motor and I raise it up? There, those clips there. Anyway, in fact, you can just see it better if I use that right there. But they didn't snap, so that's cool. And then I thought, I'm not going to take the motor out of the mounting. I thought, no, I better. And it's just as well I did, really. Because, well, the worm gear at the end is a bit manky. As you can see. Yep, it's a bit minging there, so that could do with a scrape out. There was all manner of... Get that out of the way. That's a clip that holds the motor in. All manner of gunk in there. There is... Oh, let's see, can we see this? Yep, you can maybe just make out. It's difficult to do with this light. Let's see, where's my tweezy pointies? Down there, yeah. There is all manner of gunk down there. Not sure if I can... If I do this... I need two heads to do this. I can't really do it just now, but just trust me. If I hold it, maybe you can see it. Yeah, look down there. Yeah. So, yeah, it was a wee bit jerky. And, oh, there's another thing. If we spin this upside down, I don't know if you'll see this. Really, swap hands. That drive gear seems a wee bit eccentric. It's not. Do you see what I'm saying? It's going. As I rotate it a wee bit like that, and there is a wee bit where it sticks. So I might have to do something I really hate doing. I do not like pulling wheels on anything, even if it's simple like this, that has got linkages on it. I hate doing that. Because this is overall quite nice. And I like the weight of this metal chassis. But I think it might have to get done. However, it's not getting done now. Right. I really didn't want to do this. Pull the wheels. But it's got to be done because they are minging in there. So look at the crap on there. See that? Look at the gunk on there. Right. And now we've got this added complication. That should just drop out now, that drive wheel. See why that was sitting. It's kind of squint. I suspect it's just full of gunk. Oh man. Wheels are off. I even took the wee pins that hold the rod things out. And there, just look, there's an example there. Gunk that came out of there. I think this has just definitely been run on a carpet. I'm not taking those back wheels out because I've taken this bit out. It's held on by this teeny screw there. And I'm just going to stick a wee bit of oil on that shaft there. And then I'm going to attempt to put the whole thing back together. Scares me that drive wheel, that cog, if that'll go back on straight, because it seemed to be a wee bit eccentric before. But I've cleaned it up. It was bogging. And there we have it. Job done.